I just got done with my daycare day and I haven't done a cleaning video for a while, so let's clean my house because it's a big fat mess. Sure. Good luck to this kid at hockey tryouts. Here's the aftermath of daycare snack. I didn't clean this up right away. We had applesauce, zucchini bread, and crackers. I think I'm gonna wash all of these cups actually. I'm getting low on those. Entryway. Anybody else, kids carry blankets around all day long and leave them all over the place? My kids are like always wrapped up in a blanket. This goes to our living room that has no couch. Said room. We should have a couch soon. While we're in here, garbage, craft room. Forgot to hit record. Cheapers. Moving into the kitchen. You guys probably never see this angle. These are all dirty dishes. Just so you know. Just occurred to me that I should make dinner, so let's see. I didn't have a plan. I do have this chicken breast that I took out of the freezer yesterday, so let's cook this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but let's cook it. All right, we're just cooking these in the air fryer, and I don't know, I'm probably gonna make pasta or rice. I don't even know what yet, but I'm just gonna cook these, and then I probably will think of something in the meantime. All right. I'm gonna do garlic, salt, and Creole seasoning. All right, I'm just gonna put these on 350 for like 10 minutes to start. In the meantime, I like to play a little game with myself and see if I can like accomplish a task before like the timer's up. So I'm gonna see if I can load the dishwasher in 10 minutes. This is probably mirrored to you, but it is 4:59. Oh man, these are clean dishes. Rice cutter is so thin. Alright, the dishwasher's loaded and it is 5:07. It's been 8 minutes. So I'm going to quickly rinse the sink out, scrub the sink out, and wash this stack of dishes. It's been 10 minutes now, and I just have these to wash. Not bad. Here's what my chicken's looking like. This tells me it's not quite done yet. So in a couple more minutes it goes. I'm gonna make a dinner. All right, I'm making some quick minute rice because I don't have a lot of time here. We actually have to leave in 45 minutes to go to my daughter's dance performance. And then we have to pick my son up from hockey and go to his school conference. So busy night. And I'm gonna dice up this chicken, make a sauce, get some veggies, and call it a dinner. More chicken. I'm just gonna dice this up. Chicken. The water is boiling, adding my rice. I'll get back to cleaning. We just had to take a little pause to feed our people. All right, about 3 cups. All right, whipping up some sauce real quick. Oil. I took some minced garlic and minced ginger out of my freezer. It's not quite thawed out, but we're gonna let it cook. I'm gonna add some white wine vinegar and just let this cook until this is pretty much evaporated. All right, back over here, I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of soy sauce and a 1/3 cup of honey. And then we're just gonna boil this. Let it boil for like 5 minutes or so here. All right, let's mix our sauce and the rice and the chicken. Get all these, oh, I'm spilling. Chicken. Just a good stir. Dinner. My rice turned out good.
Not right.
We are eating and running out for the night, so that's the end of this cleaning / cooking video.